Hi, welcome to solveandgo.com. Today we're going to give an example of implicit differentiation. So I'll write down the implicit equation. We have 1 plus x equals sine of x times y squared. Okay, here the function y is defined implicitly in terms of x. We have this xy squared term inside of the argument for sine. So we need to get dy dx, we have to use implicit differentiation. Okay, so what we do is we take the derivative of the left side and the right side. Differentiating both sides of an equation will give you another equation. So here the derivative of 1 is 0. The derivative of x is 1 equals. Here we're going to need to use the chain rule. So first of all, the derivative of sine is cosine. And then we'll put in what's in the brackets of sine up here. And then we need to differentiate what's inside the brackets, which is x times y squared. Okay, so here we have 1 equals cos of x times y squared times, okay, here we need to use the product rule. We have x times y squared. So the derivative of x is 1, and we multiply that by y squared, plus x times the derivative of y. And again, because y is a function of x, we need to use the chain rule when differentiating y squared. What you get is 2y, that's the derivative of y squared, then times y prime, the derivative of y. Okay, and this is our equation. The next step is to solve for y prime. I'm going to erase what's up top here. Okay, let's collect all the terms involving y prime. Here we have y squared times cos of xy, cos of xy squared rather, plus x times cos of xy squared times 2y times y prime. So altogether, we have 2xy times cos of xy squared multiplied by y prime. Okay, so here, solve for y prime. Okay, what we get is that 1 minus y squared cos of xy squared equals 2xy cos of xy squared times y prime. Now for our last step, we'll divide by 2xy times cos of xy squared to isolate the y prime here. Okay, this is what we're trying to solve for. I'm going to switch around the sides of this equation here. We get y prime equals this left-hand side here divided by this factor here. So that's 1 minus y squared cos xy squared divided by 2xy cos of xy squared. Okay, and that's our answer.